So I'm going to show you how I made my hello name tag on the Glowforge. First what I did is I bought the file, the SVG file, which is this purple right here. It says hello my name is, and then it was blank. And then I just added the text up in this corner right here and added the name. And obviously if you have been with Glowforge for a little bit here, you know that the blue is engrave and then the red is cut. So what I did is I created a outline around here and just put that right over top of that, so it leaves just a little bit of a cut and the engrave in the middle. Go ahead and click print on your Glowforge and watch along with me. So after that comes out, it's going to have the masking on it, and the masking just helps to prevent the burnt edges. So you can just peel that off and it will reveal your beautiful wood underneath, non-burned wood. And then just get in on all this too.